Hi everyone, Ana Paula Hurtado here. In this video, we are going to create an automated calendar using data analysis expression. Stay tuned. Okay, really cool pro tip coming at you. We're gonna write the calendar auto function in Power BI desktop. What calendar auto does is to calculate automatically the range of date based on data in the model. As you can see, the minimum date is calculated based on the earliest day in the model, and the maximum date is based on the latest day in the model. Also, we are gonna ask the function to stop on the end of the fiscal year end month. For the World Bank Group, this number is number 6 because June is number 6. Okay, let's see how it works. Let's go to the data view here, and you're gonna create a new table, and your new table using the data analysis expression, let's call it dates, and we're gonna use the expression calendar auto. And here practically the only parameter that is requiring this formula or this DAX expression is the end of the fiscal year. For the World Bank Group, we know that is June, so we're going to call it number 6, and that's it. And of course, we're gonna change the parameter here. I want this to be a short day, that's it. So awesome. Let's see how it's looking now the data model. So we have here the date, and we can create the relationship. Okay, we're gonna create a relationship with the last repayment date. I would love to know if you like this video. Post your feelings and questions in the comments below and hit the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next following video. Bye.